It's a 2009 Mazda 5. Standard amenities in the 2009 Mazda 5 include automatic climate control, rear captain's chairs, steering wheel audio and cruise controls, power exterior mirrors, and a premium audio system with MP3 inputs. The Mazda 5 Mini minivan is perfect for small families with its flexible interior, amazing handling, and stellar safety ratings. Take it for a test drive today. Here's a 2009 Mazda 5. The 2009 Mazda 5 has standard braking assist, front and rear stabilizer bars, child safety locks, and multiple airbags. With its incredible versatility, superb fuel economy, and great maneuverability, the family-friendly Mazda 5 is the logical alternative to big gas-guzzling SUVs and minivans. Come see for yourself today.
We're conveniently located at 3400 Highway 61 North in White Bear Lake, Minnesota.